Jack, iguba na gyud ni mong kuan Jack ay kamera. Hello. Jack. Nagdidi. Good boy siya ay nag-ano lang siya. Sit down. Sit down lang siya. Uy, tuan na wa pagani mo pagapit niya. Mag-holding hands pud ay ni mura dai ni si Buneng. Klingi man dai pud ni mura man ni Buneng. Hello, nakaligo na ko. Ang vlog na ito is ngayon nadating yung fiancé ng aking kapatid. Wala pa rin siyang alam. Nag-away ba rin? Na ano, galit yun siya. Kaya wala naman ka-reply. Kaya na-ABS nandun sa airplane. Kaya excited ko sa reaction niya. Sunduin mamaya. Nandiyan na siya sa Manila. So, busy kami. Kaya magkita-kita kami lahat. Si Mama. Yung fiancé niya, si Jack. As in, this is kuan. Kanang first time namin mabuo lahat in a long very time. As in, ilang years na. Asa man ang off? Lagi mo off. No? Ambot, asang off. Ano? Para baba tayo. Orin nyo itong ating vlog ha. Hindi man ma-off yung mga suga. Ay, ito ora. Alam, doon siya sa imong alam. Nagsi katawa. Oh. Diba? Busy? Busy?
Open this.
Agoy.
Open this.
Jack, klak ka kaila? Mama na? Mami Ali? Ha? Lo, kaila shoot. Wa siya paki. Hala. Wa siya paki. Bawa na yung ulo no. Ugma na ako naliguon. Tomorrow na ka magbabat ha? Kinsa na Mama Ali? Dali, nakay buhaton. Nakay buhaton. Ali. Uy, tanaw siya. Ay, wala, hala. Ana siya. Gwapa lagi ni. Dire na lang kumakbo. Bye-bye. Hala, siya paki. Hala. Ano, bye-bye. Bye. Asa ka? Where are you going? Hala. Doon siya ni Ali. Let's eat. Hindi muna. Foods. Yan, chatan. Magkano na siya, rice? Buksan mo. Papasukin ako. Tayo dan zero. Wala ka nito. Ano ma? Kayang, ikaw video yang. Kani oh. Yahan ng cellphone. Aman si Cliff. Ayo i-flash. Unsa man ni naghangad man ni? Uy, ay sa bali. Sa babaw ka unang ko na. Ning. La umiyak siya. Crying si Ayin. Ano? Ang hirap kumaling mo. Kita ka niya reaction boy. Ah, si Boning. Na, ingon bitaw. Wala siya nagbinuan. Surprise ka na mo. Tinasuko ka, te? Nag-cheat mong ka, te?
Why am I here? Okay, I will go back.
Ang outfit.
Outfit. Terno. Ika ka to, oh? Surprise, my God. dugay na mo giplano. It's a surprise.
Are you still mad? Huh?
Ning! Ning!
Klaro kay imong reaction diri sa imong cellphone.
Look, oh! Kisa na?
Kisa ni Ning? Ning, who's that?
Oh, who's that, oh?
Who's that? That one. That. Who's
Who's
that?
that? Bulingita kay anime. Lain na Who's that?
Who's that? Who's that? Daddy who?
Uy!
Ay.
Kalain, uy. Ingon ba na siya? I miss
Ayun.
daddy clip.
Unsa naman tayo imong kasuko nawala tanan?
Let's go to Jollibee.
Uy, nagbiyahe magud siya Mars.
Hmm?
He's been traveling whole time. Kabalo mi. Mo bitaw nagsiming pangatawan ni Kayang. Katong gwapa ba gato? When she was blah blah blah, we were laughing. Katawa zuning. Success.
To shower.
Ti karon pagid mi naabot ti. As in karon pa jud. Ay, sa lugar ko. First time pa na makita.
Ay, di ay.
You're so big, oy. Oh my gosh. You're so tall. Yan, no.
You're gonna fight daddy, huh? What happened? What happened? What happened? Huh? What happened?
Don't
You
be
said you're gonna fight daddy.
You can't believe it.
Daddy's here.
Dugay na na. Eh,
Pasan
it's
ite?
been a long time we've been planning.
Tanaw na to
Yes.
yung reaction.
Oh, tanaw yung reaction.
Stop na po nito.
Stop na. Oh, success yung ating surprise. Na si Daboy gani. Cliff, look at the face. Tanawa, boy.
Oh, you go to the beach?
Oh, di ba? The team is so amazing. Pag Huh? I-play daw, i-play.
Agati, ayun yung cellphone.
Oh, iyahan ang phone.
Maong gilingon ang
That's why.
Kasi
Ha?
dali siya nag
Dugay na namo giplano. Oh. As in, siya man gud nagbayad ani tanan. Dili si Wayne. Siya tanan. She can't believe.
Really had no idea.
Otro daw.
I have more. I'm just like one. I don't know because about. I don't know. I don't talk.
Damien leaving?
The reaction is so kuan.
But the person that we're training, they're ready. I just told you they're not ready, so I can...
It's already Mars. Giplano niya. Oh. Dugay kay na niya giplano. Do. Oh, dugay na niya giplano. Ba? It's our plan.
I have more.
Mot. Mot.
Please.
Gusto ba na siya mag-shower? He wants to go shower. Oh, you don't have boys? That's why I'm trying to wake you up a while ago. If you want medicine. But you went back to sleep.
Wala man ka lang tana.
Anak ko, do you want medicine? Paracetamol, anak ka. Nabalik din kag tulog.
Anong pungatan to siya?
Oh. She was in the, what is it? Mini store, no? And then she's like this. And I wanted to video her face. She's like, nawala ang gatong pag-ingon nga pretty. Oh. You're so pretty, honey. OA.
Did you message me if you're in the plane?
There's Wi-Fi, man, in the
When
plane.
I was in between airports.
Oh yeah, stop
That's why
over.
the time I don't message you for 10, like when you're
12
mad.
hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're mad.
You said
I'm on the plane.
how many hours?
They didn't. It messed up my plan. They don't have Wi-Fi.
Nawala
I
mo
was
day
gonna
ka, boy.
text you like, oh, I'm going to do this. Oh, I'm going fishing.
I was
tata."
really mad.
She was so
I know you
mad.
are. I was mad too that there's no Wi-Fi on the plane. From Hawaii to Manila. No Wi-Fi.
Oh, di namalit ka, bra?
Yeah, that's why he's been shopping, bra.
Oh,
You didn't have
Melissa
clue,
didn't
even
invite
1%. You don't have any clue, even 1%. As in
Zero.
0.
Puro ko na lang makalit ang gusto.
Ano mo siya, Sisi? Do you wanna be part of the plan? Ana siya. Yeah, ana din siya nga. Tell
Mama does not know.
ma
So we will show up later.
patay boy. Nagkabalos mama wala.
Ah, zero lagi ni.
Sure oy. Wala ka balos mama? Wala ka balos mama boy? Kabalo daw.
Ha?
Kabalo daw si mama. Marag ikaw guro wala na ingnan.
Di ay.
Ambot lang, di ko sure.
Ah, di ba? Laing lang sa personal gawin.
Gamay siya na mo. Yay, so sweet. Hala. I think I need to exit now. Okay then, let's go. Let's go to Jack's room. No. Come.
I lied, but for good reason.
Wala gyud ay ka clue. Yan kato itaw anak ko nga ask Wayne for I asked Cliff for this thing. It was him who booked it. It's not Wayne. And you were like, honey, Wayne booked it.
Buang lady.
Buang. Buang lady. Who's a buang? What's this? You miss Daddy Cliff? Oh, I think we need to exit na, guys. Let's go. Oh. Bye. It's Albert.
Abi, is na boy?
Oh, na. Nara, oh.
Yada.
Albert.
Uy,
Oh, ikaw na may
ay
kabalik.
oras na.
12 na. Hi, kuya daw.
No. No.
See you soon.
See you soon, boy.
Bye.
Ipakuan sana siya. Ipahakbat ba? Kay pilit daw yung lawas kaya. Ako man dahil yung jeans diri. Nagbilang ka pa yun.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Mane.
Do you want me to help you? Do you want me to help you? You're so tall.
Nice.
Taos kay siya, no?
Keys. You have the keys.
Kiss daw.
Kiss.
At ubang ikaw. Sila, oh. Nag-sneak out sila. Karon pa, 11. Oh. Wala kay alam. Nagtulog-tulog ra ka.
Ano kay kapag kay ko?
Dugay na wala nag-chat sa kay Cliff sa amo.
Oh, dugay na.
Mga...
Dugay na, no? Oh, ba? Oh.
Tina-vlog ba ka? Stop mo. Diba?
Labo, nagka-pajama pag yun. Mars, kita kasi mong reaction. Ha?
Wala. Di ko out.
Wala, oy, ikrap rato. Ikrap raman to. Buning, who's that? Daddy Cliff? Oy, patay. Ignan na lang. Ikamit. Ignan na lang, ha? Kung saan man naging patay. Dili, oy, pwede raman nga ka nang ipahatod lang dito mong lakaw ta. Ipabutang lang pa. Uy, buto eh. Saan man na?